We are on the floor today. Yep, that's how this video is gonna get made. Hello. Today's video is completely different to my normal content, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I'm going on travel, and this is how I set up everything and organize everything before I go traveling with my family. This time I'm traveling with my kids by myself, husband staying back. So lots of fun time ahead. But I thought in today's video I'll show you a little bit of behind the scenes, how it all comes together. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. This is the morning before I need to set it off, but I've still not finished packing, though I'm nearly there. It's almost done, but for now I'm going to shut the door on this and go get some last minute things with my kids. It's always fun to shop with them. They find good stuff. I mean, it's crunch time. I am traveling tomorrow, and so no makeup. There is no time for these frivolities. It's a no makeup day today. And a quick message for you guys. Basically, I am planning a Amazon ads training, and it's especially for the beginners, and it's going to be about mastering Amazon sponsored products automatic campaign. And I am so passionate about this, so I want you guys to sign up to the waitlist. And in order to do that, you want to download this free guide. It covers my method of selling on Amazon and advertising, how to do all of that. And I want you to familiarize yourself with my key concepts and sign up to the waitlist, because everybody who is signed up to this PDF will get a notification when the training is going to be, the time and the day of it. So yeah, I am really excited about that. That's why I wanted to jump in here really quickly and record this and let you guys know that, you know, it's happening soon, a couple of weeks time, so you don't want to miss it out. And so please do sign up, and I will let you get on with the rest of the video. So these are my airport outfit options. I do like the black ones, and I have 2 black bags here. I like kind of both of them, and this is the other beige one, and I think I like these bags more. But yeah, I might keep the beige for the shorter flight and black one for the longer flight. But the main thing is these bags, right? These bags, all of them. Let me show you a few more. These are part of my new bag collection, which is coming to Amazon shop soon. And let me just quickly show you how to find this. So you'll go onto your Amazon app and you just look up for Swanky Swans bags, all right? Or Swanky Swans. There's a couple of options, but yeah, let's just choose bags. And obviously the first one is an ad, as expected, but you suggest, you choose a couple of filters, right? So choose Prime Delivery, because obviously these bags are stocked by Amazon through my vendor account. So you choose all Prime or try before you buy. Okay, both options, Prime programs are available, and choose Amazon UK as a seller. And then I think one more, yeah, sort by newest. Okay, so newest arrivals. So with these filters, you would be able to find the newest collection. I'm just in the process of getting them online soon. The photography is done, and if you guys like it, I will leave a link in the description below to my storefront on Amazon. And but yeah, these are a couple of the bags that I have recently uploaded, and it's part of my new winter collection. And the baby is awake. The baby is awake and needs a walk to go to sleep. And this is my work day, really. That's how I usually work. You can see that's how mum life is, really. But yeah, such is my life. After another trial at work, I couldn't get the baby to sleep again, so I decided to go inside and carry on with my ad optimization that I wanted to do before I set for travel, because for the next few days I won't be able to really check the performance and adjust things. So I wanted to do this before I go, and that is the perk of this job, this business, that you can set up quite a few things from your laptop from home. And one of the things I did and experiment with was start a sponsored display campaign. So I want to do that for basically conversions. Okay, that's my strategy for this ad, because I like low waste. And so I wanted to experiment this with this phrase party setting with women enjoying drinks at a bar. Okay, I just wanted to try this Amazon AI image generation, and it took a couple of minutes to come up with it. So you can hear the birds, but I can't do anything about it, my baby or birds. But a couple of images have been generated here, and I quite like them, without doing much work myself. All I had to do was just write this phrase and generate, and then I have these images. And so I quite like this one, so I'm gonna save this to my creative assets, and then I would be able to add this to my campaign assets. So I'm gonna apply this to the ad types and just save it, and then you can see like different formats depending on placement of the sponsored display ad. So it can be banners or on-page banners and different things. But I've added this, and now I'm just going to quickly review. This is not a tutorial, but I'm just showing you like I want to set this up, and then I will review this probably in the next video. But I want to set it for conversion. Cost per order is £2, and I've added a couple of products. Thanks. But yeah, these are all pre-selected, so I'm gonna leave them as it is, and then leave the targeting, and then added the creative assets, and then I'm just gonna launch the campaign. No travel prep is complete without last minute Amazon orders. I ordered a couple of things, and I'm just gonna go and pack them in. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am trying a different style of content and video creation, and trying to enjoy this process, and not try to create tutorials every time, because there are so many of them that I've created, and they're available on my channel. You can go and check them out, but it's more about storytelling. I'm becoming more interested about them, that side of thing, and how you build brand and how you actually connect with the customer. And one of the ways is showing you behind the scenes of how these videos are created, how the business is managed, how I am juggling so many things, but we are slowly moving forward. And so I have the bag business to take care of, I have the ads to run, and I have my family to look after, and travel, and all of this is happening at the same time. Yeah, so this is what is going on. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about today's video, and if you have any questions about my business, my bag business, drop it in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer. And so yeah, don't forget to sign up to the training waitlist, download the PDF, and subscribe to this channel, and I will definitely see you guys next week. And yeah, subscribe for a whole new side of Farah Finds content that's coming up. I hope you enjoy it, and see you guys next time. Bye.